Here are some important things to note when taking your INBODY scan. We recommend to take your INBODY scan because it's great to track your progress. It's about 98% to 99% accurate, so definitely want to give it a try. What we recommend is to do it first thing in the morning. Empty stomach is preferable. If you're not able to do that, just make sure whenever you take it, it's around the same time and day. Here are things to look at. We recommend to look at body fat percentage and not BMI. BMI is your weight over your height. And again, when I take my BMI, it says that I'm overweight and I'm obese, but that's what we look at body fat percentage. Body fat percentage is the ratio of your muscle and your fat. So that is what you want to look at your INBODY scan. Your body fat percentage, your pounds of muscle, and your pounds of fat. Your weight is gonna fluctuate daily, so we recommend not to focus on the weight, but focus on your pounds of muscle and your pounds of fat. Now, what should you expect? So we recommend to take it once a month. How much body fat you should be losing per month depends from person to person, but typically 0.5 to 1% body fat per month is a good rate. If you're able to lose more, that's awesome. But you want to do it nice and steady. Obviously, if you have more body fat to lose, you can probably lose 1 to 2%. But again, being very patient, 0.5% to 1% per month is a really good rate. Pounds of muscle. Again, you want to make sure you're getting enough protein. Typically 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per body weight is what's recommended, and making sure you're doing weight training. If you are doing those two things, you want to gain about 0.3 to 0.5 pounds of muscle per month. And again, it is very challenging to gain that muscle, but definitely possible. And the last thing is pounds of fat. So you definitely want to see your pounds of fat lower if you're in a caloric deficit. So these are some things to know. If you have any questions in terms of how to interpret your INBODY scan or what to look for, is this good or not, let us know. We can hop on a call or meet in person to review your results.